Are you promoting ClickBank products, but having a hard time making that daily money? Well, how about if I show you a better way that will 10x your chances to making more money every single day with your ClickBank products? If that's something you want to hear more about, then stay with me throughout this video because I'm going to show you a method that will increase your sales. What's up, guys? Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about the best way to start making daily money with ClickBank products. I'm going to show you a method that will increase your conversions and get you more sales. Start making that daily money. But before I get started, let me introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a like, a thumbs up if you feel like you get some value out of this content. All right. Now, if you do have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Plus, if you have any questions about this particular video, please post them down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. All right, guys. Now, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that makes you money on autopilot and makes you a lot more money, one that I use. This method makes money and is guaranteed to help you learn marketing. All right. If you're interested in something like that, a more passive income, click the link in my description, my #1 recommended make money online method. Just click that link and I'll send you some more information. All right. Now, guys, before we get started, I'm going to surprise you here with a way that you can start making better conversions with your ClickBank offers. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over to ClickBank. Please get a ClickBank account if you don't already have one, because if you're new in affiliate marketing, this is definitely the place to start. Even if you aren't new, this is the place to go if you're looking for a product, right? So the very first thing we want to do is find a niche that you're wanting to promote, preferably health, wealth, or romance. All right. These are the top 3 niches. They're more evergreen and they make the most money. All right. So when I say health, I'm talking about weight loss. It could be better teeth. It could be all kinds of stuff, right? So within ClickBank, there are thousands and thousands of different offers, all right? So if you go to health and fitness, there's addiction, beauty, dental, dietary, exercise, meditation, men's health, women's health, so you got all these different things. So you got health, all right? You got uh, e-business and e-marketing. This is your wealth, affiliate marketing, right? Blog marketing, classified advertising. So you got all these things, right, that will teach you and you can sell to make money off of, okay? So for instance, let's go over here to e-business marketing, all right? So we could go in here, we could search by gravity. Gravity is going to sort out all this stuff to give you what products are selling the top, all right? Whatever's got the highest gravity is probably selling the most at that current time. That means most affiliates are actually promoting this offer. So right now there's a lot of affiliates actually promoting this offer, affiliate bots. All right. The next one down is the ClickBank passive income for 2018. So there's a lot of people actually promoting these things here. All right. All the top ones are pretty much anything over 50 is getting lots of sales and affiliates are actually making money with. All right. So you just go through here, you pick something that you like. And like I said, it don't have to be in e-business, e-marketing. It could be health and fitness. Maybe I want to go to health and fitness. Maybe I want to go to, flat belly fix or a lean belly breakthrough or whatever. Red tea detox, Organifi. Everybody's heard of Organifi, right? So guys, you can make money promoting green juice. All right. This is a mix made for green juice, right? They sell this all over the place, and it's very popular, and you can make money from it. All right. So I'm going to show you a method instead of just doing your normal. We're going to launch. Let me log into my Funnelytics right here, and we're going to launch what a funnel should look like. All right. Uh, let's open this one. So this is what a typical funnel is. All right. This is how I've been doing my funnels. But you know what? This thing's missing a very important piece. Okay. This is missing an important piece of the pie. All right. This is missing a bonus page. And I just learned this recently that the bonus page, guys, this is where the magic is with these bonus pages. All right. We're just going to stick this in here and we're going to call this bonus page. All right. So this is where the magic happens. This is going to set you apart from everybody else. And why I say that is because, this bonus page, so what's going to happen is you're still going to have an opt-in page. You're still going to have a bridge page, but your bridge page is going to talk about the offer, but it's also going to talk about your exclusive bonuses that only you are offering, all right? So for them to get them bonuses, they have to buy by your link, all right? And that's what we want them to do. We want them to actually buy from your link and get your bonuses. All right. So when they come over here and they click on this bonus page, they're going to get sent to the sales page still to click to buy. But when they do that, they're going to get exclusive bonuses. And by what I mean by that is check out this bonus offer. All right. So this is just an example of a bonus page for a product I was selling on Warrior Plus. All right. This is called the Auto Profit System. And Warrior Plus is just another affiliate network like this, but you have to get approved to sell their products. All right. So this is just one product that I promote on Warrior Plus, but this is a bonus page. So I just drive the traffic from an opt-in page to a bridge page to this bonus page. So what I'm talking about on my bridge page is the product that I'm going to send them to and the bonus that they are going to get by clicking my link and buying from me. Okay. So here I tell them, this is the product and these are the exclusive bonuses that you will get from me. If you come to my link, you will get these bonuses. Okay. So you'll get these special bonuses and no one else is offering you these bonuses but me. So why don't you, if you buy from me, click the link down here, click here and grab your secure copy. And what this is going to do is going to send them, right? It's going to send them to the sales page so they can buy. And that's what I'm talking about here, right? So they get sent to this sales page. And guys, this works with any offer. It doesn't have to be a particular offer. It can be whatever. And the program that I use for this, right, is called Commission Gorilla. And I did talked about this on one of my other videos. And Commission Gorilla is very powerful and it's very simple and it's not expensive at all. It's very affordable, guys, and it's powerful because when you log in here, let me show you something that makes Commission Gorilla pretty cool. Shoot, wrong button. I wanted to go to my pages. So I have a couple pages here, and I just started with Commission Grill myself, right? So I've just sent a couple people to this program to see if this actually works, and it does. All right, this actually does work because I have barely sent this out, but to a small percentage of people in an email, and that people were clicking it, and which is blowing my head off. But guys, this is powerful because you can duplicate this thing, right? So I can view my page and I can come over here, I can clone it. I can clone this page as many times as I want, right? And once I clone this page, I can edit it. So I can go in here and say, you know what, I want to go into this page and I want to edit it to show a different offer. So I could just go in here and say, you know what, I want to delete this, right? I want to delete that and I want to put a new image block in there, right? And then I want to put a new image. And you know what, I want to take this out and put a new snippet in here, right? And then I want to take this out and I want to edit this to go to another page, right? So I just go in here and I go to page settings and I edit it to go to another offer, right? So you can do this with as many offers as you want. And Commission Gorilla, it's a product. There's a link in the description for Commission Gorilla if you're interested. Uh, it is my affiliate link, so I will make a couple bucks from it, but I won't make much, and I'm not doing it to make money because if I was, it's not an offer where I'm going to actually make tons of money from because it's only a couple bucks. But guys, it's a great product and it helps you make them bonus pages that I'm talking about, right? So go in there, make some bonus pages, and start promoting your ClickBank offers, right? My next ClickBank offer, that's what I'm going to use. Right now, I'm all over Warrior Plus because I'm trying to get ahead of product launches. So once you start getting the hang of your affiliate marketing, then you want to start doing product launch. And maybe I'll do a video in that in the near future to show you how I actually do that to make extra money. Okay, but guys, the whole point of this is to make a bonus page in your funnel. And a lot of the super affiliates aren't talking about this, right? They talk about opt-in, bridge page, sales page, upsell. And that's where I was at. But I was having a hard time getting conversions. And I added this bonus page, and all of a sudden, my conversions, they've increased at least 30% to sales just because I added a bonus page that had exclusive bonuses that no one else was offering. And you can put as many bonuses as you want. And the beautiful thing is once they buy, you can put your bonuses in any of your offers. So if you're using JV Zoo for instance, right? You can when they click buy, they go download the offers. They do it in Warrior Plus. ClickBank, same way, right? So as soon as they buy it, you can either send them an email to go to the bonus page, or this bonus page takes you to a thank you page. All right, let me show you that real quick. So get page. I'm going to show you this and then we will be done. Okay, so did I copy it? Copy. So here's my bonus page. So one thing I would do is I click on this, right? And then it's going to take me to a thank you page. All right. So this is my thank you page. And then after they buy, they're going to go to this page where they can actually download all the bonuses, right? And I can make this look however I want. This is just a generic page that I just left generic. But you can set this up any way you want so they can actually get sent to a thank you page where as soon as they hit that sale button, they get taken to this page and they can download their bonuses. Okay, so guys, that is Commission Gorilla, and use that to promote your ClickBank products. All right, and again, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, give me some comments, let me know what you would like to see in the future, and I'll start showing that stuff. But as always, I appreciate you coming to watch my videos, because it is awesome that I got people that actually subscribe to my channel. And again, guys, if you're more interested in a passive income, click the link down in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method. And if you're interested in Commission Gorilla, it'll be right underneath that link. Just go ahead, join. I think you can join for like $1 for like the first 30 or 90 days. Go ahead and try it out. And if it's something you like and if it starts converting, then use it. If not, don't use it. It's only going to cost you $1. All right. So go check it out and start using Commission Gorilla to start creating your bonus pages on the fly. Very simple, easy, so you can start making that money. All right. Peace out, guys. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.